you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an Epsom salt flush. Only thing you need is water, an Epsom salt, and a glass. I have some great news. I've partnered with TLC, Total Life Changes, and I'm going to be selling some teas, packed with vitamins and herbs, CBD tea. It has many benefits: arthritis, IBS, insomnia, cancer, all types of stuff. Then they have kits and sets where you can get the tea with the drops, as well as a topical ointment that contains the CBD oil in there. So keep that in mind. There's also the NutriBurst, which is full of a day's supply of vitamins and minerals and things, comparable to 10 salads in just 1 tablespoon, and it's safe for the whole family. It has 98% cell absorption rate. So family, if you're interested in getting any of these items, please check the link below. I will have it listed. Just click it, go over to my store, and do some shopping. Thank you. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm JasmineLatishea. Today we're going to be doing a flush, and we're going to do it for the next 3 days. See how much weight we lose. And we're going to be doing it with some Epsom salt. Make sure you don't get one that's like, it's like perfumed or flavored. This is just a plain bag from Walgreens. I'm taping the video. Oh my God. So yeah, I'm about to show y'all how to do that, and then you'll see me drink it, or how I drink it. Okay, so let's go over to the counter. Okay, people. First thing you're gonna do is take 6 to 8 teaspoons, level teaspoons. Right now I got only 7 in there, so you want to make sure it's level though, like that. Okay. So, and what I do, I'll crunch it up, and I think that's like 2 tablespoons and a half. I just crunch it up a little bit. Get some water. Using a bottle today, and I'm just gonna pour like 4 ounces. Key with this is the less water. Then you gotta stir until it's dissolved. It takes a minute. Now, what does Epsom salt taste like? It's probably the nastiest thing you will ever taste in your life. It's nastier. I don't know which one nastier. It's nastier than the green NyQuil. And to me, with warm water, it kind of dissolves a little bit quicker. You look, it's already pretty much dissolved. Just make sure there's no crystals left. Now here you can add maybe some lemon or some lime juice to make it taste better. To me, it don't make it taste no better. So I drink it as it is, but with water right afterwards. So now you're gonna see me drink it. Okay, I'm about to drink it. As you can see, the water is not cloudy anymore, it's clear, and I can see straight through. The crystals are dissolved. Okay. When I drink it, I'll usually count to like 5. I'll drink 5 seconds worth. Okay. Disgust. Woo. Warning, you may gag. I think I'm only gonna take a little bit strong, so I think I'm gonna take 2 more sips. That's it. Make sure you drink the rest of it. It's really supposed to take like 8 ounces. But the less mixture you make, the less you gotta drink. I can't suffer through 12 ounces. Can't do it. Drink as much water as you can. Not only just as a bottle, just keep drinking water. I'm gonna put in here my starting weight. I'm gonna do this for about 3 days. See what the final results are. So I'll be back in tomorrow to do it again, give an update. 3rd day, I'll be in and give it to do it for the last day. If I decide to only go 3. I wanted to go 5 at first, but I got some new stuff coming in, so I want to do it that long because I want to switch over to something else. So I think we only going to do this for 3 days. Okay, make sure you keep up with the videos, comment, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.